Is there a rule to flag an existing asset if it's not present in that Intune file? Ooh, this is great. I actually don't think so. If it's not in the file, data manager is not going to see that asset. And what I would do here, and I think what you're after, is seeing if a device stops being scanned in. So if you have a piece of hardware that say hasn't been scanned in for a week, you want to know, where it went, what's happening to it, why it's not being scanned in. What I would actually do is, instead of trying to solve that with data manager, because that's not quite what data manager is meant to do, I would solve that with assets. I would create an automation to send you an email or Slack, or create a report or something that actually shows you a list of devices that haven't scanned in the past week, couple of days, however, whatever time frame you want there. That way you have a very quick view on what's there versus what's not there, without going into data manager, if that makes sense. Because data manager is really just meant to bring in data and to make that data look really nice and clean. It's not really meant to monitor your data the way that assets are. So I definitely set up an automation or a report or even like a filtered view on the asset side to accomplish this. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.